model, 2014 Peugeot partner Berlingo 850 SL1 HDI, very long MOT, ready to drive. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 257,061. MOT, the 24th of May 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6 DTED. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.